In this video, I will show you how to share Google Contacts with another Gmail account. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's jump straight into it. All right, open up your Contacts app on your mobile device. And as you can see, this is all of my contacts here. So I want to share this with another Gmail account. So to do so, what you want to do is click on Fix and Manage by bottom right-hand corner of your screen. And then you want to export to file. So go ahead and click on Export to File. So choose Accounts to Export. So I'm going to click on Black, White, Teal. So I'm going to click on the first one. I'm going to click on Export. I'm just going to save it as contacts.vsc. All right, contacts will be exported shortly. And now I want to upload that exported file to another Gmail account. So I'm going to click on the top right hand corner. I'm going to export it to this email address here, TechWiz. And if I go to contacts, you'll see I've got no contacts here. So now what I want to do from here is click on Fix and Manage, bottom right hand of the screen here. And then I want to go ahead and click on Import from File. And I'm going to find that file I've exported off that other Gmail account. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Import from File. I'm going to click on this email address, FBA Takeoff. And now I'm going to click on the contacts.vcf file here. And now contacts.vcf will be imported shortly. So if I go back to contacts, it may be there straight away. And there you go, it has been uploaded. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.